When it comes to fully automatic mitering bandsaws, the Cosen C-510MNC exceeds the industry standard. Classified as a horizontal scissor style, the 510 is a perfect saw for those working in high production fabrication settings. With the capability of cutting up to 60 degrees, operators can cut material at a round capacity of 14 inches and a rectangular capacity of 13 inches high by 20 inches wide. Like all Cosen fully automatic saws, the 510MNC comes equipped with Cosen's NC control system, which allows you to easily store up to 100 cutting jobs, index material up to 999 inches, and easily control your workflow, all from an easy-to-use HMI touchscreen display. The saw's precision pivot system facilitates easy and accurate adjustments for angle cutting, providing an easy-to-view protractor tool located conveniently away from flying debris. Its rigidness and heavy-duty pivot and trunnion ensure longer machine life. The 510 comes with a long list of features, such as double retracting vices, a precision feed pressure and feed rate dual valve system, a selector switch for bundle or single cutting modes, and Cosen's Save-A-Blade feature, which comes standard on all Cosen automatic saws. Coming in at a little over 4,700 pounds, the saw's footprint of 130 inches long and 109 inches wide is great for larger size production shops and comes with a long list of optional accessories to help make your workflow more efficient.